Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create gift box packaging at Pacdora. The first, go to pacdora.com. At Pacdora have 4,900 plus packaging templates, die lines, and mockups for you to choose from, and choose the appropriate packaging box. You can customize the packaging size. And choose packaging box material. Choose the appropriate die lines format. And download die lines. Next step, open Adobe Illustrator. And create your packaging box design. Hold Shift key and select Design. And export selection. Go back Pacdora. Choose Design Online. Upload your image. And change color inside. And choose Save. You can check the opening and closing operation of the packaging, and choose Super Export. You can export mockup, die line, video, code. You can choose 3D design to create 3D scene mockup. I'm done. Here's the complete way to create packaging mockup with Pacdora. You can use code DUCKHANG to get 20% off. Don't forget to like this video, and thank for watching.